Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to unlock the new winter frost recipe, Blueberry Frosted Pancake in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the penguin stove like this, because this recipe can only be cooked using this stove. And if you don't know how to craft this stove yet, you can check the link in the description for the full tutorial. And then next, make sure you already own the original frosted pancake recipe like this. You can buy this recipe from Massimo. And then next, just open this recipe by tap on your stove like I do before. And then just open this recipe, and then next just change the ingredient to blueberry, this one. And then after that just tap on start cooking. And okay, like this. Once the cooking is complete, you will unlock the new winter frost recipe, blueberry frosted pancake, like this. And okay, maybe that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.